Hey, Data Dev, how are you? Thanks for stopping by. That should be better, right? Okay, good. So anyway, let me allow me to repeat myself. I said, welcome back to Dave's Daylight Channel 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time screencast. This screencast is all about this screencast is all about COVID-19 analysis and vaccine analysis for a select few of countries. Okay, 6 or 8 countries. All right. As always, we start with Brazil. So you can see that currently Brazil has administered 281 million doses. Of these doses, uh, 162 million people have received a single dose, while 123 million have been fully vaccinated. Now, what this comes up to here is this: 76%, 75.6% of the population has received a single dose, and 57.7% have been fully vaccinated. So, Data Dev, what are you up to today? So now let's just keep this show rolling along. Okay, let's take a look at your numbers. Because this is Sunday, this means we should have the final numbers for last week. Uh-oh, what's wrong? You don't have COVID, do you? Okay, now let's take a look at Brazil's numbers. I'll just give you a heads up. Don't panic too much at the yearly numbers. I think Brazil, you're in for some. Okay, okay, well, that's good news. Now, this isn't going to interfere with your coding today, is it? So we can see Brazil has 21.7 million cases, 609,388 deaths. As you can see here, the COVID-19 21 cases have passed 2020 cases. Okay, and deaths have passed 2020 COVID-19 deaths have passed 2020 deaths. If you take a look here, you can see what's interesting. Most Several countries I looked at, including the U.S., had a single spike starting sometime around in July and going up to here before beginning to decline again. For whatever reason, Brazil's cases were delayed a little bit. Instead, had more of a stair-stepping function, spiking on June the 23rd at 115,228 cases before falling down to 13,321 cases on November the 5th, which gives Brazil an average of 10,800 cases per day. Again, we can see this slowly climbing, meandering up to here. And on April the 8th, Brazil had 4,249 deaths for COVID-19 deaths for a single day. But that number by October 5th or November 5th had fallen all the way down to 389, which gives Brazil an average of 280.4 deaths per day. This just gives us a different way to look at the data. It helps get rid of some of the volatility. We can still see the pattern dip here. Now you can see the declining pattern here. And last week's numbers were below all these back up here also. So this is encouraging. Deaths you can see also are well below these numbers. You can see this gradually continuing to a very steep decline now that the decline is slowing a little bit. Okay. What about monthly cases? Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 months so far in a row. Uh, Brazil has seen a decline in COVID-19 cases. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row, Brazil has seen a decline in COVID-19 deaths. Now, hopefully this is going to be the 7th month in a row. Okay. So that concludes Brazil's report for today. Again, Brazil, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click that. Just hey, don't forget if you follow me on YouTube, don't forget to come back and join me tonight, 8 p.m. on Twitch. There's a link to my Twitch channel in the description below. It's all about data analytics, and with R tonight at 8 p.m. on Dave's Data Analytic channel. Again, the link to my Twitch channel is below. It's 8 p.m. New York time. Okay. So let's just come over here like so. Update our database for Brazil. Now, as you do data dev, you need to invite 10 of your friends to join us on the stream here today, and have your 10 of your friends jump into the chat session here, in order to get my metrics up. So let's do this.